Right, welcome. This is a video series on how to make money on this freelance marketplace called Legiit. And you get to learn it from me, someone who's actually done it before. I've sold around 500K in services on Legiit, so I know exactly how to do it and how you can do it as well. And in this video series, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money with this platform. There's just one thing, and I want to be fully transparent with you. I have been banned from this platform because I created my own marketplace. It's called Vetted with 3 T's, and we take 0% in fees. We focus on a more higher end or premium type of freelancer. So if you are a more seasoned and experienced freelancer, make sure to join on this link right here. I'd love to have you on. But if you're just starting freelancing, sites like Fiverr and Legiit work fine. Again, Vetted is more for a premium type of freelancer, both freelancer and client. The services are more high-end and the platform as a whole is more premium and bespoke. And just to end this intro, anything you learn with this video can be applied on Vetted or any other marketplace. So my goal with this is that you watch the videos and then actually go implement what you learned, ideally on Vetted, or you can do it on any other marketplace. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy.
If you want to succeed, you need to be willing to do what the other 99% aren't doing. So if you want to be the 1% and have success in Legiit as a freelancer, you need to be able to do what 99% of people aren't doing. And this is a short video, but it's really important. Like we talked about, you need to always under-promise and over-deliver. This is how you'll get people wowed and leaving you reviews, plus recommending your services to other clients and keep coming back for more. You need to go above and beyond. Of course, if you want to earn like the top sellers on a marketplace and be in the 1%, you need to do what the other 99% of people on the platform aren't doing, which is going the extra mile. And I have here 2 examples, and we have a bunch more in what we talked about previously. But the first one, for example, is when a client sends you a message asking for something, don't send them a text reply. Send them a video. That's an example of what 99% of people aren't doing. That's how you get to be on the 1%. Send them, for example, a Loom video. So if they ask you how can your service help them out, instead of you typing it out, just record your face or record your screen talking and answering their question. That's what 99% of people aren't doing. And if you want to be in the 1%, you have to do what 99% of people aren't doing. And the second example is, for example, the delivery, always under-promising and over-delivering, which we talked about here as well. I just wanted to record this quick video and remind you that if you want to be successful, if you really want to be successful and be in the top 1%, you need to be able to do what 99% of people aren't doing. And I know this sounds cliche, but it's 100% true. And this is more of a mindset video, not so much a tactic one. But it's really important that you understand and are aware of this because, and I'll say it again, if you want to be in the top 1%, you need to be willing to do what 99% of people aren't willing to do. Thank you so much. Again, any questions, make sure to join the Facebook group. That's facebook.com/groups/marketplace freelancer. And I will see you on the next one.